Welcome students. We are discussing coordinate geometry chapter. In this chapter, we will solve some of the problems based on area of a triangle. Let us solve example number 5. If a of minus 5, 7, b of minus 4, 5, and c of minus 1, minus 6, and d of 4, 5 are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So here the points which is marked the graph sheet, the point A, point B, point C and point D are the vertices of a quadrilateral, so which is marked in the graph sheet, and we have to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So we will divide this total quadrilateral into two parts. One is nothing but ABD, another one is nothing but BDC. So while adding these two triangles, we will get area of the quadrilateral. So let us find out the area of the triangle ABD. So for that one, we will join the line segment BD. So we will get two triangles ABD and BCD. So let us take the points. The coordinates of A are minus 5, 7, and the coordinates of B are minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, and the coordinates of C D are 4, 5. Let us consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 for the triangle ABD. So area of the triangle ABD is equal to, already we know that the formula to find out the area of the triangle is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the values of the coordinates in this formula. So half into the value of x1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 5, minus y3 is 5, plus x2 is minus 4, y3 is 5, minus y1 is 7, plus x3 is 4, y1 is 7, minus y2 is minus 5. Let us substitute all the coordinates, which is equal to half into minus 5 as it is, then minus 5 is minus 10, plus minus 4 as it is, minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2, plus 4 as it is, then minus to minus it becomes plus 7 plus 5, close the bracket. So which is equal to, now let us simplify. Minus into minus is plus, 10 5s are 50, 10 5s are 50. Next, minus into minus is plus, 4 2s are 8. Next, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 4s are 48. Now add all this, 50, you add 50 plus 8 plus 48, you will get 106. If you divide 106 by 2, you will get 53 square units. So 53 square units is the area of the triangle ABD. Now we have to find one more triangle BCD in the given figure. So area of the triangle BCD is equal to, let us write the coordinates. Let us take x1, y1 is equal to minus 4, minus 5, and the coordinate of C are x2, y2, which is equal to minus 1, minus 6, and the coordinates of D are x3, y3, which is 4 and 5. Now let us substitute the values of x1, all the coordinates value in the given formula, which is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substitute the values of the coordinates in the given formula. So half into the value of x1 is minus 4 into y2 is minus 6 minus y3 is 5, close the bracket, plus x2 is minus 1, open the bracket, y3 is 5 minus y1 y1 is minus of minus 5 plus as it is, then x3 is 4, open the bracket, y1 is minus 5 minus y2 is, the value of y2 is minus 6, put it in the bracket, again you close the big bracket. Now let us simplify. Of into minus 4 minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11, then minus 1 as it is, then minus into minus is plus, so 5 plus 5, then here it is 4, minus 5 as it is, minus into minus is plus, so it becomes plus, so which is equal to half into minus into minus is plus, 4 11s are 44, plus into minus is minus, 5 plus 5 is 10, then plus 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 4 is 4. Now let us add 44 plus 4, 48, 48 minus 10 is 38. If you divide 38 by 2, you will get 19 square units, which is area of the triangle BCD. It is area of the triangle BCD. Now we have to find area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD is the sum of the areas of the two triangles ABD and BCD. So we have calculated the area of the triangle ABD, which is equal to 53 square units, and area of the triangle BCD is 19 square units. Let us add these two, we will get 72 square units, which is the total area of the quadrilateral, ABCD. So this is how we can find the area of the quadrilateral or area of the any quadrilateral by joining the diagonal and making the quadrilateral into two triangles, and we can find out the areas of the two triangles separately, and while adding the two triangles areas we can get the sum of the areas of the two triangles, then we will get the total area of the quadrilateral. Next problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Here, see students, all points are marked in the graph sheet. So these are the vertices of the triangle. So this is the given triangle, A of 0, 1 and B of 2, 1 and C 0, 3. So here we have to join the midpoints of the triangle. Here the midpoint of AB is D, and the midpoint of BC is E, and the midpoint of CA is F. So join these midpoints, you will get a triangle DEF. So DEF is the triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle AB, BC and CA respectively. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABC to the area of the triangle DEF. Here we have to find the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the original triangle. So area of the original triangle is ABC, and area of the triangle which is formed by joining the midpoints is DEF. So we have to find area of the bigger triangle to the area of the smaller triangle. So first let us find out the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So here vertices are written. D, E, F are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. The coordinates of D. Now let us find out the midpoint of the coordinate of D. So here x1 is 0, -1 and the coordinate of B are 2, 1. So let us find out the midpoint of D. So how to find out the midpoint of D? Let us use midpoint formula. So midpoint formula, which is nothing but x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Here x2 is 2 plus x1 is 0 divided by 2, y2 is 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 ones are 2. Then 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2 is 0. So 1, 0 is the midpoint of D. So the 1, 0 is the midpoint of D. So which is the midpoint of D? Which is the midpoint of D? So 1, 0 is the midpoint of D. 1, 0 is the midpoint of D. Now let us find out the midpoint of E. So what is the midpoint of E? So the midpoint of B is 2, 1. Which is 2, 1. So 2, 1 is the midpoint of B. So how to find the midpoint of B? E. So which is, let us add 0 plus 2. So we can add 0 plus 2 divided by 2, 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Let us here the coordinates of E are, how to find? Let us write x1, y1. Here we have to consider 2, 1 is x1, y1 and x2, y2 as 0, 3 is the x2, y2. Midpoint formula is x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. x2 is 0. Here x2 is 0 and y2 is 3. And here x1 is 2 and y1 is 1. Substitute x2 0 plus 2 by 2. Then y2 is 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 2. Then 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and cancel. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are 4. So 1, 2 is the midpoint of, is the coordinates of E. So it is the coordinate of the point E. So this is the midpoint of E. So which is the midpoint of E. Now let us find out the midpoint of F. So here let us take. Now let us find out the midpoint of F. So how to find the midpoint of F? So let us take the coordinates of A and coordinates of C divided by 2. Therefore coordinates of F are x1, y1 is 0, 3. The coordinates of C is taken as x1, y1. The coordinates of A is taken as x2, y2. Now x1 is 0 and y1 is 3 and x2 is 0 and y2 is -1. Now midpoint formula is x, y is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. So x2 is 0, x1 is also 0 by 2. Then y2 is -1 plus y1 is 3 by 2. Then 0 by 2 is 0. Then 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1, 0. So what is this 1, 0? So 1, 0 are the coordinates of the midpoint F. Now, so we have calculated the midpoints of E and we have calculated the midpoints of F and we have calculated the midpoints of D. So now we got the midpoints of the three we have got the three midpoints of the triangle. Now let us find out the area of the triangle DEF. We got the midpoints. Now let us find out the area of the triangle DEF. Okay, now let us find out area of the triangle DEF. So here D is 1, 0, D is 1, 0, and E is 1, 2. So this is the value of E, and F is 0, 1. So 0, 1 are the coordinates of F. Okay, now let us find out the area of the triangle DEF. Okay, let us take the coordinates as x1, y1 is 1, 0. So the coordinates of D are 1, 0. Then x2, y2 is the coordinates of E is taken as x2, y2, and coordinates of F are taken as x3, y3, which is equal to 0, 1. Now let us find out the area of the inner triangle DEF by using the triangle formula of into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the values. x1 is 1. So x1 is 1, y2 is 2 minus y3 is 1 plus x2 is 1, y3 is 1 minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is 0, y1 is 0 minus y2 is 2, close the bracket. Now let us simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1, so which is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Then 0 into anything is 0. So what we will get? 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 0. Now 1 plus 1. Now let us add 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 ones are 2. So 1 square unit. So this 1 square unit, which is the area of the triangle DEF. So which is the area of the triangle DEF, which is the area of the triangle. Now let us find out the area of the triangle ABC. Now let us find out area of the triangle ABC. Let us find out this triangle area now. So how to find this triangle area? So let us use the triangle formula. Area of the triangle ABC, which is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now take the coordinates of A, B, C as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Write the coordinates in the triangle ABC. Write all the coordinates. Then substitute the values of all the coordinates. Half into the value of x1 is 0. x1 is 0 into y2 is 1 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 is 2, then y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus of minus 1 plus then x3 is 0, open the bracket, y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is 1. So this can be written as, which is equal to then 0 into 1 minus 3 is 0, which is 0. Then here we can multiply, minus into minus is plus, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. So we can written as 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 into 3 plus 1. Then 0 into anything is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Therefore 0 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0. Then 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 to the 8, 8 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. this 4 square units, which is the area of the bigger triangle, which is the area of the triangle, ABC, which is the area of the bigger triangle. So we have to find the ratio of the bigger triangle to that of the inner triangle, which is the triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So area of the bigger triangle is 4 units and area of the smaller triangle is 1 unit. So the ratio is 4:1. So 4:1 is the ratios of areas of the triangles.